And that's from No Heat. No Heat? No Heat. No Heat. No Heat. No Heat. No Heat. Guess who we're seeing?
Olivia Rodrigo. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you guys haven't been here before.
Wait, I was being weird. I was like...
I'm joined here with my lovely sister, and today we're going to be doing the Other Mother makeup look and Coraline. From Coraline. It's an iconic movie, and it's Halloween.
I just watched it like 2 days ago.
Yeah, I just showed her the movie 2 days ago, and she's obsessed with it. So those are the makeup looks that we're going to be doing. So keep on watching if you want to see how we did them. Well, I'm going to start by putting up my hair because it'll end up getting in my face. And I'm going to be going in with a bunch of paint. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to go in with the Elmer's washable glue. It's really important that you just use washable glue in general to hold up your brows, because otherwise if you don't use washable glue, whenever you go to wash it out, it won't come out.
Or better yet, use Gorilla Glue.
I know.
Is that copyright?
Told secrets I shouldn't tell.
This is my Lancome foundation, probably expired, but I like her.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Cosmetics Brightening Lilac Under Eye Setting Powder. This is one of my favorite setting powders, you guys. It's so freaking good, and especially for like special looks like this, it's bright white. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brows with this powder. That way it doesn't move. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this cream blush by LA Girl in the shade Blissful. And then I'm going to take some of that product on a brush and just stamp this on my eyebrows, because this is going to be used as a color corrector to just cover up my brows underneath my makeup. Look at that brow coverage! Yeah. I'm just going to set the other brow because gotta make them twins. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this UCANBE oil face paint palette. It's a super good paint palette. I love using these for my creative makeup looks. So now that I have some of the white on my paint palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop this up and then just put it directly on my face.
Was I supposed to be saying what products I'm using?
Yes.
I used some Tarte Shape Tape, the Lancome foundation, LA Girl Soft Matte Cream Blush, Brightening Lilac Under Eye Powder.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this big foundation brush and I'm gonna basically just take more of the white, and now I'm just gonna start blending. I'm also gonna go in with this Morphe white concealer just to add some more coverage. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the powder and take a big fluffy brush like this and basically just dip into the powder so that you have a good chunk of it sitting on your brush. And then you're just gonna tap everything over with the powder.
Right now I'm using the Rouge Romance Rouge Affair palette. I like the 2 shades in the middle.
Okay, so at this point your face should just be completely dry because of how much powder you put on it. Just make sure that everything is dry so that when you are blending your eyeshadows, it's not going to smear or look funny or weird. This is my reference photo. Now I have to do like little spine. I think it's a spine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some white there. Now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the collarbone. I'm also gonna go ahead and just place the powder on here as well. Now we get to do the fun things, which is adding all the details onto this look. I'm gonna just dip into this black shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm gonna just take this and just carve out the cheekbone. This is a very harsh contour look. I'm gonna now just bring it down to my chin, making this like a very pointy chin look.
These eyebrows make me look sad even when I'm fine.
And now I'm just gonna take the black and just fill in the lines. I just filled in this side and now I'm just gonna replicate it on this side. Jada, so what's one of your favorite makeup looks that I've done?
Oh, I loved your Avatar one.
Oh, my Avatar one?
Yeah. I also loved your Freddy Krueger one.
I think my Freddy Krueger one is honestly, I think, maybe my favorite one.
I love your Freddy Krueger one. This eye look is, I love this.
Oh yeah, the one that I recreated from James Charles. It was so good. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with that one. It was even better in person than it was in pictures. Now I'm gonna go in with the Color Base Primer by Beauty Creations, and I'm gonna just take the bottle and just squeeze it onto my little paint palette. With the brush that I was using before, I'm gonna go ahead and take this and I'm just gonna cover my neck with it. Oh my gosh, I have like this huge pointy chin. Ew! Ew! It's so creepy.
Alright, I'm done with my makeup until I have to put the button on. So she's still going. So yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna eat because I'm starving.
Now I'm gonna go back in with the same exact paint that I've been using for my neck and use this little Morphe M217 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just draw my eyebrows on. Okay, y'all, I just completed this eyebrow. It looks really, really good, and now I'm gonna try to make it look as even as it possibly can on the other side. Obviously, they're not identical. Whew. That was honestly a little scary. I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I was using before to carve this out, and now I'm just gonna blend these edges out just a little bit so that they're not super harsh. My chin literally looks like, oh my, this is so creepy. Now we're just gonna start blending and giving some shadow to these. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, it's coming together, you guys. I'm so happy. Now we're just gonna do the same to the collarbones. Now I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the black in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just gonna stipple that on my eyelid. This part, you really don't have to be neat with it. You can make it super, super messy because there is gonna be buttons being placed over on top of this. I'm gonna just take whatever's left on my brush and just kind of use this as nose contour. Bro, this is actually creeping me out. I'm honestly really not good at doing nose contour, but this is what we have so far. I'll probably fix it up later. Jada's back from her little break, and a couple of her things fell off, and so now she's gonna fix that. Now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Cosmetics crayon eyeliner in the shade Smooth Black and tightline my waterline. So now I'm gonna just go in with the same exact paint that I've been using the entire time for the brows and the neck, and we're gonna go ahead and draw on the classic smile that she has.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna just go ahead and draw on the little mole that she has. Now to almost finish this look off, I'm gonna go ahead and just start drawing all of like the little cracks. Okay guys, so we're both almost finished with our makeup look. We just have the little buttons. We have to glue these on our eyes, and then we just have to add our wigs, and Jada has a little raincoat to put on, and then we're all complete. Hello. Why does yours look like that?
Tell ya.
Yeah. Baka! Baka!
Girl, I feel like the most stupid person in the world. I feel like I'm cosplaying Dane anime or something. I feel like I should be going uwu. Ew!
I look iconic.
You look so good.
Stop playing with me or I'm going for the ball. 1, 1, 2.
Stop playing that, you do know that I'm known for the bob.
You know I'm known for the bob.
Okay guys, here is the official final makeup looks of the other mother and Coraline. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Our socials will be down in the description box below if you guys want to go check us out on our other social media accounts. I had so much fun creating this look, and I hope to see you guys soon. Love you. Bye guys.